Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you how to make pastry rolls. And these rolls are coated with sugar and a little bit of cardamom. It's very delicious, and of course it's very easy and simple to follow. So please continue to watch, and I'm going to show you these delicious pastry rolls that I usually make for my family for Sunday brunch or when I have a gathering. So I don't make this all the time, but occasionally I make this, and these go very well with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. So please continue to watch, and I'll be back and show you how to make these delicious pastry. pastry rolls. They look very good. I will taste some and I'll let you know. Wow, it looks really good inside. Very good. Very good. I wish you could I wish you could taste this. This is really delicious. It tastes like the original old-fashioned donuts. It's very similar to the taste of donuts. Very, very delicious. Try it and see it for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please leave comments down below and let me know of any suggestions or if you have any questions. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you for joining me today. I love you all. Have a nice day.